Welcome to the Do It Online training module. This training covers everything to do with the Do It Online module. This is where you list all of your online services for quick access for the user. And the topics we're going to cover: adding and editing Do It Online items, assigning categories, and then adding and editing the categories. So when you log into the back end, on the main menu there's one called Do It Online. So if we select that, okay, and then it will list all your Do It Online services that you've got. Okay, so if we want to add a new one, I'm going to go add. Okay, so in here you've got the ability to embargo and expire Do It Online items as well. So the embargo, so when you want it to show on the website. Okay, so if you want to show it straight away, then you can select the date and the time. And if you want it to expire, you'd put a date and time in there. If you want it to stay on the website forever, just leave it blank. Okay, and then this is where you assign the task to the specific task it is, and then the category, and also if you want it to appear in the most popular. So in here, you would assign it that it's a service for paying, and it's to do with whatever your categories are. So it's to do with animals, and yes, I want it on the popular options as well. In here, the heading is what's going to be the clickable link for the user. Okay, so if we're going to pay it for that, so we're going to pay okay, and then in here you would write in full description explaining exactly what that is. Okay, and then the type of link you can have is you can link to a page on the site. So if the online form or online service is on your website, then you're just going to find the page. Okay, if it's provided by an external provider, then you can link the web address in there. Okay, and if it is a online fillable PDF, then you might link to a document on the website as well. Okay, so you've got those options there for your service. Okay, so we're just going to go, it's a page on this site, and for our example we'll just send it to that page. So we're going to go create. Okay, so if we now look, we've got a new Do It Online item in there. Okay, that's been assigned to the pay it area. Okay, so if we just go have a look at an example site. Okay, so I'll just refresh that so it picks up our changes. Okay, how it displays and how you use it on your site might be completely different, but in here you've got Do It Online. Okay, and you can see it's got most popular selected, and because we tick that, you can see animal control fines are there. If we go pay it, you can also see animal control fines is in there. Okay, okay, if we want to edit that because we got something wrong, we need to change the description, then you just select it and you can change that now needs to be in find it instead, and it's no longer popular, so we're taking it out of there. All right, over to the side, the three dots, you can edit it from here, and you can also delete it. Okay, so you don't have the ability to change the tasks, so the pay it, the find it, but you have the ability to add your own categories. So over to the side here, you've got the tab Do It Online Categories, and this is where all your categories are listed. So if you select one, you can edit it, change it. Okay, and if you need to add a new one, come in, add your new one and create it. Okay, and then it will appear in the drop down list for you to be able to add your new one. Okay. And that's the end of this training video. If you still have any questions, please email support@webshed.co.nz.